Selects the uptown boys against the downtown boys. Team of the beautiful people against Espanyol. Of course, their most famous fan in this country is Guillem Balaguer.
It's Iniesta there. Brought down by Raul Rodriguez.
Iniesta. Good defending from the front from Espanyol. But Iniesta still walks away with the ball. Xavi. Iniesta. Alexis feeds it to Iniesta. The goalkeeper makes the save. He's not looking the most convincing keeper in town, is he? Christian Alvarez.
Again, it's good moving off the ball this time from Iniesta. Timing of the pass from Alexis Sanchez. Christian Alvarez does get his body behind the ball.
Stopped by Matt Badu. Now Iniesta. Oh, brilliant ball. Fantastic to Fabregas. Fabregas doesn't have support. Does a dance with the defenders. Has to go solo, and it needed a save with the foot from Alvarez again. Excellent improvisation from Cesc Fabregas.
It's brilliant skill, because you're right, Robbie. He doesn't have an obvious cross in towards the box. Van Hector Moreno using great skill. Kidson is going to shoot, cuts back.
Alves. Messi. Iniesta. Threads it through to Dani Alves, who walks it in. But he's not going to get on the score sheet. He was offside. Well offside.
Yep. It's a yard offside. It's the right idea from Danny. So he's played well, Robert. Couldn't tell you an Espanyol player that hasn't.
Sorry, Terry, it's a wild challenge there from Sergio Garcia. Allowed to go by the referee. I haven't spotted a Barcelona supporter yet. I suppose they're not going to show their true colours. There's so much to analyse in this game. I'm doing that on revised revistas. Lionel Messi acknowledges that he was offside. Nearly all the time-consuming tactics now. Well, he acknowledged he was offside. He was wrong.
You've seen a step up in urgency from some of the Barcelona players. I think Messi, in particular, needed to.
Xavi tries to draw defenders. Iniesta, back to Messi. Spare man on the far side. It's Piqué! Off the ball! Big chance for Pedro! Off the rear of the defender. Now Iniesta! Now goal early on, remember, for Lionel Messi. And this could well have been given. It would have been a very brave decision.